Hello, 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 waving at the camera for social media and all you guys. My name is D7, and this is the weekend edition, good through Sunday, November 12th, 2017. And the markets overall, bearish, 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 ending the week, bearish, 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 with the VIX increasing by 7.5%. And before we move on, here's the deal. It is Veteran Day weekend. To the vets out there, we honor you. Here at Grok Trade, we honor our vets. Thank you for all you do in sacrificing what you're sacrificing for our country. We salute you. Okay, here is the deal. Markets going up, 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 up on the S&P 500, but it broke this red line. Remember I was talking about it? It's at its last hope. This is this trend line, and it's right. It's a little higher than where the 20-day moving average is. If we go below this trend line and the 20-day moving average, it's bad, bad news, bad news. But if we can stay above it and we can bounce, then we can continue bullish, but it's got to break through this red line with a vengeance. So if I go to the weekly chart, we can see up, 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 but we dojied out after a big up leg. That's a reversal pattern. It looks like we could start going down. If we get below, I'd say this 256 area, look for that to continue down. We could be at the 253 area very, very quickly. So keep that in mind. The monthly, it's hardly worth looking at. Month's just getting started. We're only 10 days in. Up, 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 and a big fat doji. This could be a nasty reversal coming, guys, and you're hearing it here. Diamonds, let's go to the daily chart on the diamonds. The Dow 30, up, 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 and we come down, 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 down. Now here we broke a trend line. So you know what? I'm going to do it. I'm going to add a sell to this right now. There's my sell on the Dow. Let's look at the weekly. The weekly is up, 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 and it looks like it's going to start turning around on us. Take a look at the NASDAQ daily chart first. The NASDAQ up, 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 up. Not ready to put a sell on it yet, but it hit its head at resistance and come down. Let's see if it can stay higher. Let's see what the weekly is showing us. Weekly up, 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 up. It's kind of extended. The question is, on its trajectory, can it get to this blue line? Yes, of course it can, but will it after running up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks? Can it go up another, let's say, 5 weeks? Technically, yes, but the odds are against it doing so. So if it drops, it's going to be relatively weaker than where we were here. It should come up, touch the trend line. If it fails to do so, relatively weakness, and then it should drop. I still have a buy on that, so that is cool. All right, small caps, very important to me. It leads the market. Look at the bearish couple weeks we've had. Small caps, Russell's 2,000, down, 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 down. This red line was so important, and we broke it. We broke this red line. This is trouble. Very, 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 a lot of trouble. Matter of fact, now that we're under this line and we closed, I'm going to finally put a sell on it. This was a big bull flag, like it was going to rally, but because of that, I'm going to put a sell on it. That is trouble, 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 trouble. Now, if it pops up here, I'm going to immediately put a buy on it again, and that's just the way it goes. Let's look at the weekly and see if we can see anything. The weekly is pullback. Look how the bodies of the pullback are getting larger. Small, medium, large. That's bad news. That tells me it has momentum. It could blast right through this area that should be support. Could blast through it. If that happens, this would be a jab and it'd be a nasty drop if that happens. So keep that in mind on the weekly chart on that. Financials, let's look at financials daily chart. Financials have a sell on that. But we could be ready to bounce. Let's see if we'll do that. But it's in a lot of trouble. Had a rising wedge, finally broke down, and there's where we're at. but it's in trouble. It's below the 20-day moving average. It's got the 50-day moving average coming up. If it breaks below that, that's in trouble. And if I look at the weekly chart here, oh, boom, yeah, nasty. This is no way. This is a sell city here on financials. On the weekly chart, guys, markets are in trouble. They're in trouble. Bad news for that. Let's see what the U.S. dollar is doing. U.S. dollar's in this rising wedge, still at support. I'm getting ready to put a sell on it if it breaks down, which it looks like it may. But at this moment, I'm going to keep my buy on this. Let's take a look at the weekly chart. Weekly chart, up. Not ready to put a sell on it yet, but it looks like it's going to happen. It looks like it's going to reverse down. All right, crude oil. The daily chart is up, high base, look for a breakout. Crude oil, this is going to be a trade to the upside. We have resistance up at these areas. You can pause the video and write those numbers down. Keep that in mind. Weekly chart, let's see what's going on the weekly. I had a sell on it. It's rallied higher. Why did I not put a buy on this one? I just didn't look at it. I didn't look at it. So that is egg on my face. Oh man, I'm gonna stay with my sell, see what happens. If it pops up, I'll go ahead and buy it, but this is resistance and we could come down. Okay, man, I gotta pay attention to these things. Gold daily chart, down, put a buy on it. It did pop up, but look at this drop. You know what? I have to put a sell on the drop on gold, but we have a ton of support at 120.50 area, guys. Ton of support there. So I fully expect it to hit this area, then I'll put a buy back on it to go higher on the weekly chart. Let's see what's going on. Weekly, got a buy on it, and I'm good with the buy. Let's go to silver. I know I'm moving very quickly. Silver is in this huge symmetrical triangle. Guys, I have a buy on it right now. This thing could go either direction. Watch for a major move on silver. Big pop to the upside, big pop to the downside. If I bring this then down a little bit, look at the big symmetrical triangle. So we have a huge symmetrical triangle, and then we have a smaller symmetrical triangle. Moving averages right now acting as resistance, not support. So it gives it X% more chance of breaking down, even though I have a buy on it at this moment. But if it breaks down, I will be selling. If it breaks up, my buy will be good. Okay. VIX. Oh, hold on. Silver day. Let's go to the weekly chart. See what's going on that. Up, sideways. Ooh, resistance 20-week moving average. I don't like that. This thing looks like it's wanting to head down on the bigger time frame. Not good. Quick look at the VIX. The VIX, I got a buy on it. Boom, on the daily. Here's the daily. Up. VIX is in trouble. Whoa, we're at 1130 right now on the VIX. Ouch. And if you go to the weekly, I had a sell on it, but I'm going to turn around now and make this a buy. This is an immediate turnaround. There's the buy on the VIX. Okay. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin daily, I put a sell on that. There's our double top. It comes crashing down at the rising 20-day moving average and support. This trend line acted as perfect support. If it gets down here and starts to bounce, I might put a buy on it. We'll see. If you look at the weekly chart is giving us a red candlestick. Let's see what happens with that. If it will reverse on us or if it won't. If you look at the monthly up has a shooting star, but we're just getting started. We're only 10 to 12 days into the month. But if it hangs around this area or worse, this will be a shooting star. It will be a reversal pattern on a monthly. Look for a sizable pullback in Bitcoin. I think that'll help you guys out. GBTC. Looking here at this, I can put a sell on it, but it's turning into a bull flag. That could be a bull play fairly soon, and I'll put a buy on it if that happens. If you look at the weekly chart, up. Kind of a tweezer top and heading down, thrusting bearish pattern. So this is bad. This is not a good pattern for it. We should have done that. It should have had another white candlestick. It failed to do so. Another one, friend of mine, LTC USD. This one is Litecoin, and yeah, just a big gnarly bear flag right here. But it's above moving averages. Let's see what happens with that. Okay, quick look, guys. It's Friday night. I have plans, dinner plans. Let's go to Apple. Quick look. Up, up, up. We're at resistance. Look, get ready to take profits on Apple, okay? We got a buy on it. These are my calls, buys and sells, guys. And they're for public, where people can see it. We're trading mentors. We have a mentorship coming up, actually. Go to Grok Trade. Go up here right now. Go to Grok Trade. It's a 3-day course. Join us for a 3-day course. It's done live online. You take it from the comfort of your own home. You want to be part of that. You can bring a friend with you free of charge. The friend is free. You are not. We will walk you through, give you everything to become a rock star trader. We call you Grok Star trader. AXP, we got to sell on it. Down, 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 down. American Express. Boeing, got to sell on it. Oh, and we broke the trend line. Boeing is toast, guys. Bad news for that. That thing, it broke the ice here. This could get slippery and quickly. Caterpillar. Oh boy, we got to buy on it. I'll stay with my buy. Cisco, got to sell on it, but it could turn into buy. It hammered out on Friday. This could head up. CVX, bear flag, look for that dude to come down. Disney, got to buy on it back here on the breakout. Up, 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 but this is going to be a sell very soon. Be ready to take profits there. DuPont, Dow, got to sell on it after rising wedge. Breakdown, down, 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 below the 50-day moving average. Not good. GE, I put a buy on it, and we are heading higher, guys. Double bottom. Look for that to head higher. Goldman Sachs, put a buy on it. Big bullish pennant. Look for that to break out on the big triangle. If it gets above that, the thing could take off. And Home Depot, got to sell on it. Low base, look to short that under 162. IBM, whoa, is just falling apart. Put a sell on it back here in October, and down, down, down it goes. Got to sell on Intel, hit resistance, and that's a bull pullback. This could be a buy soon. Let's see what happens. Johnson & Johnson, I'm staying with my buy. That's a bull flag, but we are now below the 20-day moving average. I don't like it. Let's see if it can get some legs and go. JP Morgan, got to sell on it. I'm not going to put a buy. So there's the sell. I'm going to stay with my sell. It's at a ton of support at this moment. Coca-Cola, got a buy on it. Sat through some pain, and now it's rallying back up. Got a lot of resistance up there. McDonald's, got a sell on that, and we're heading but it's a hammer. That could be a sell or a buy soon. Triple M, got a sell on this one, but we got support coming up soon. Big flag. This thing could get bullish and quickly, and I'll be ready for it. Merck, got a sell on it as of today, and that has a lot of support, so it's a risky call on my part. Let's see if we can break through. If so, that'll be pretty profitable. Microsoft, got a buy on it. We're staying with the buy. Nike, we're at resistance. Get ready to put a sell on that one. I can't do it yet, but we're at resistance on Nike. PFE, we got a buy on it. I'm ready for it to rally. Let's see if it will happen. PG, got a buy on it. Boom, up to the falling 20-day moving average. TRV, oh man, on Friday it broke through. I got a buy on it here on October 30th, and boom, today broke that. Guys, that's great news for this stock. TRV, UNH, got a sell on it. Not overly convinced that sell is going to work out. UTX, got a sell on it, and it's working out just fine. Visa, got a buy on it. I'm going to stay with my buy. Verizon, got a sell on it, and my sell is still crashing and burning. I'm going to look at tech stocks next. Walmart, got a buy on it. Boom, and it's working out perfectly. And Exxon, got a sell on it, and it's dropping, but it hammered out on Friday. Let's look at tech stocks. Grok, not Grok stocks. What am I doing here? I'm looking at Grok tech stocks. We already looked at Apple. Let's go to Amazon. Amazon, got a buy on it. Boom, 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 boom. It's a rising wedge now. Look for that thing to start dropping. Baba, I got a sell on it, but it's turning into a bull pennant. This thing could get bullish, so that could blow up on me. Baidu, got a sell on it, and it continues to drop. No good. Cisco, got a sell on it. It's dropping. I think we looked at that one. Catfish, I don't know why I call it catfish. It's CTSH. We drop. This could start getting bullish though. eBay, got a sell on it, look for a dead cat bounce, and then look to short that again. Facebook, this is a pennant or kind of a bull flag. Got a buy on it. Facebook looks like it's good. Google looks like it could be ready to give back some. Okay, be expecting Google to probably give back some. GoPro, whoa, put a sell on it, and then it's crashing, and it's like just bad news. Bad news. You don't want any GoPro. Microsoft, we already looked at that one. Nvidia on fire, up more than 5%. I did a little mini video on that intraday today. Boom, got a buy on it from back here on the 27th, and it's up quite a bit since. Oracle, got a sell on it. We're below support. Oh boy, if I redo that, we're not. Oh, I think that we're gonna bounce. I think we're gonna bounce, guys. Priceline, put a buy on it yesterday, and PayPal, got a buy on it. We're good there. Red Hat, got a buy on it and continues higher. Snap is up 3% today. Oh, okay, gotta take a look at this. Oh boy, I'm not going to do a buy yet, but it could be soon. Twitter, got a buy on that as of yesterday. It's looking fine, and that's it. So go to Grok Trade, go to Grok Trade, go to Grok Trade. Mentoring, forget the word mentoring. 3 days of education online with us. Mark the Meerkat. Oh, by the way, he had a killer week, and I gotta share this with you. Hold on, I'm gonna pause the video, and I unpause the video, and there it is. So he sent that to me this morning right when he got done with it. So let me explain to you who Mark the Meerkat is, just so you understand who he is. Mark the Meerkat is our leading mentor, and he is the real deal. He's also runs our chat room on a daily basis. He also does our Stock Picks V newsletter each weekend. He's a master trader. He is it. But he says he had a record week for Grok Chat. 34 trades called out of 55 for a 61% success rate. Now, guys, our risk or our goal is 60%. Out of 10 trades, we want 60 of them to be winners, to be profit trades. He hit 61.8, so we beat our goal by nearly 2%. And so he netted, check this out, netted 80.4%. Risk on reward was 25% target over the 50% stretch goal. So we have a 5% daily goal where we grow our account by 5%, or we grow our risk, whatever we risked, that risked amount by 5% per day is our goal. Our stretch goal is 10%, and we hit for the week 80.4%. That is huge. He goes, woo, doggies. Look at my last 2 videos. I featured trades by chat room members, not just me. Awesome. So you incorporated trades from those in the chat room. Super cool. Super cool. So you can do the chat room. Listen, it's not for the faint of heart. If you haven't gone through mentoring yet, the chat room is going to be probably more difficult for you than what it needs to be. Chat room should be really easy. Should be something that you just flow with, and you're there to make money because you kind of know what's going on. Highly recommend you do mentoring first. Most people do. I would venture to guess 90% of the room, the people that are in there, are the chat room I'm talking about, are Grok graduates. But anyway, you go there. Let's have a chat. You and I will set up a talk, and we'll just talk about what these 3 days are going to be like and how you can benefit from that. There's a lot of ways that you will benefit, and the best way to do that is talk over the phone on that. All right, share this video. If you like it, leave a comment, but most importantly, sharing is caring. Catch you guys later. Bye.